Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Orbi purple light, what it means, signal loss causes and step-by-step fix. Fix 1 is check the internet connection. Make sure your modem is turned on, then check that the modem has a normal internet light. If your modem has no internet, connect your internet provider. Once the internet is working, check if the Orbi light changes. Second one is restart the modem and Orbi. Turn off your modem and Orbi router, then unplug both devices from power. Wait for about 60 seconds. Then plug in the modem first and wait until it is fully online. Then plug in the Orbi router and wait a few minutes. Third one is check the Ethernet cable. Make sure the Ethernet cable is firmly connected between the modem and Orbi router. Then look for any damage to the cable. Try a different Ethernet cable if needed. Restart the Orbi router. Fourth one is sync the Orbi satellite again. Press the sync button on the Orbi router. Within 2 minutes, press the sync button on the satellite. Wait for the syncing process to finish. Check the LED color after the connection is complete. Fifth one is factory reset the Orbi. Keep the Orbi powered on, then press and hold the reset button within a paperclip for about 10 seconds. Then release the button when the LED start blinking. Wait for the router to restart. Set up the Orbi again using the Orbi app or web interface. Thanks for watching.